Yeah. Before I show you how to hustle, gotta show you how to cut it. Gotta take your time with it, can't rush it. I don't got no gloves on, you should put some on. Try not to touch it, start sweating profusely, feeling knots in your stomach. You might have to shit or vomit. This the part of the dope game they don't tell you about. This the part before you count your money that they leave out. Get you a tester, that's something that you can't live without. They gon' tell you what it's hitting for before you give it out. If they call it anything under an 8, it's a waste. You need a 9 or a 10 if you wanna win. Serious dope, nah, to make they body bend. Now we need a name like a local rapper. Put the stamp on it, on the wax rapper. Like when Frank had Blue Magic. Don't move unless you got a ratchet. Not a bitch, but a gun with a kill switch. If you don't know him, don't deal with him, cause the game wicked. It's the best in the city, everybody gon' wanna kick it. Ain't no time for that, you ain't grind for that. You be looking at Big Ben, big time for that. Facts.
My nigga, you don't wanna do this shit forever. It's a means to an end. The only winners is the ones that plan to leave when they begin. The streets ain't your friend, it'll suck you in, rock you to sleep and tuck you in. So tuck more than you spend, pluck like you don't wanna ever pluck again. Cause first you up, then you don't know where the fuck it went. Now it's a dent in your program, didn't know how to invest, so you kept getting more grams. But we don't got but so many chances and very few advances. Can't be asking where all the helping hands is. So scrap your credit report and start you an S-Corp. Less is more, so limit what you getting fresh for. Cause dripping and not chipping is worse than you eating food, dipping and not tipping. It's distasteful. Pretty soon your place cold and the service hate you. Then what you gonna do after feeding your face? And there ain't nothing left, now you feeding for taste. But closed mouths for closed minds don't get fed. And the food gon' always part from its bread. Or you can hold yours till it mold instead.
When the people show up, follow protocol. Should've had your money writing on the protocol. If not, better find somebody that know the laws. It's gonna be a long year for you, but I'm here for you. A lot of niggas gonna tell you to be afraid of their conviction rate. Normally those never sold, or they the ones that told. Either way, they not who you should probably focus on. I mean, listen, you was pitching, but you ain't settling undercover. Somebody snitching, and that there's fightable. Ask yourself, what would Kevin Childs do? He fought him twice if you ain't know that. I know Youngin was wildin', but we got a free Kodak. Grunge Gelato, the opioid, this a throwback to the days when the runners was on the moped.